Hi, Matthew Fulton here with Parkway Business Solutions, and today I wanted to share a trick with you on how you can utilize the new Accelerated Invoicing within QuickBooks Online Advanced. Now, the Accelerated Invoicing has the ability that you can either create manual invoices, create one, and then do duplicates just by adding on a new customer very quickly, or what we're going to show you today is the way you can actually import a CSV file to pull up to 1,000 lines of data in all at once. So let's get started with that. From our screen here, we'll go and let's click on the gear icon. There's about 3 different ways to do this, but we'll go to import data, and you can actually go to invoices here. Now, alternatively, you could also, of course, go over to your sales tab, and once you're on invoices, you can click on the drop down and do import invoices here also. From here, they do have a downloadable CSV file that you can look at and follow the instructions onto it to make sure that you're more successful with the import, of course. Additionally, if you do not already have the customers inside of this system, this will add new customers if you click the box, but be sure to check that you don't have just customer typos, otherwise you'll create duplicates for no reason. Once you have it set up the way you want, you can click Browse, find the file that you want to import here, select it, and go Next. Now what it's going to do is it's going to go through, and if you're using the template, it's going to automatically map as many of the different fields as it possibly can. Be sure to take note on the invoice date. You can choose the order that the dating will go into, whether it's month, day, year, so forth. It's not necessary to use every single field. If you don't need something, you can leave it blank, of course. And then very important is going to be on the items will be select a tax amount, whether it's inclusive or exclusive. You can check out our article we recently wrote, and it's on the Firm of the Future, that explains the differences between the two and how you'd want to use it. Once you have all the information in the way you want, you can click Next to make sure your tax rates in your CSV file are in sync with your QuickBooks tax rates. And it's going to tell us we're going to import 21 new invoices. As this goes through the process extremely quickly, it's going to let us know how many actually made it and which ones did not. And it's telling us right off the bat that invoice number 1070 already existed in QuickBooks and had not been added. So now if we come in, these are all of the different invoices that we populated and pulled in. To show you the Excel sheet, this is the information within that short amount of time that all got populated all at once. So the beauty of this is if you have reoccurring dues or reoccurring subscriptions, you could actually create a special CSV file that keeps the majority of the people on there, maybe add a couple new ones as you add them on each month or take a couple off, and instead of having to recreate multiple invoices one at a time, you can import these in extremely quickly, especially after you have the template all set up. So here's your quick tip for QuickBooks Online Advanced. We hope you enjoy the accelerated invoicing just as much as we do.